Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Gmail without syncing contacts. We'll be working directly inside Gmail, and the goal here is to add another account while keeping your contacts from automatically syncing. This is helpful if you want to manage email access without mixing address books or importing extra contact information into your main account. To begin, open Gmail and make sure you're on your inbox screen. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click that settings icon to open the quick settings panel. When the panel appears, choose See All Settings. This will take you to Gmail's full settings page where you'll have access to the account management options we need for this setup. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the tabs across the top are fully visible. Next, click on the Accounts and Import tab. This section contains the options for adding and managing other email accounts within Gmail. It's the area you'll use whenever you want to connect another mailbox or adjust how Gmail handles imported account access. Once you're in Accounts and Import, find the option labeled Add Another Account and click it. This will start the process of connecting the additional Gmail account. Depending on your browser settings, this may open a small pop-up window. So if nothing seems to happen right away, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups and allow the window if needed. From here, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Gmail will guide you through the remaining prompts, which may include signing in, confirming permissions, and choosing how the account should be connected. As you go through those screens, pay close attention to any options related to syncing or importing data. If your goal is to avoid syncing contacts, review each permission carefully before continuing, and avoid selecting anything that would import contact information. Take your time with this final part, since the exact screens can vary slightly depending on your account setup or Google's current interface. The important thing is to complete the prompts while making sure contact syncing is not enabled. And that's it. Once the account has been added, you'll be able to use Gmail with the added account while keeping your contacts separate. If needed, you can always return to the Accounts and Import section later to review or adjust the connection settings.